Dyson V8 Extra, the ultimate cleaning solution for modern homes. Tired of lugging around heavy vacuums and wrestling with tangled cords? Discover how the Dyson V8 Extra can revolutionize your cleaning routine, giving you more free time and a spotless home. The Dyson V8 Extra cordless vacuum cleaner isn't just another cleaning tool, it's an investment in your time and well-being. Designed with busy professionals, homeowners, and pet owners in mind, it offers unparalleled convenience and performance. This vacuum boasts incredible suction power, effortlessly lifting dirt, dust, and stubborn pet hair from any surface. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a cleaner, healthier living space. Imagine cleaning your entire home without being tethered to an outlet. The Dyson V8 Extra provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, allowing you to tackle every room in one go. Weighing only 5.6 lbs, this vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. No more backaches or struggling to reach under furniture. Cleaning has never been this effortless. The Dyson V8 Extra seamlessly transforms into a handheld vacuum, perfect for spot cleaning, car interiors, and upholstery. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for every corner of your home. Whether you need to quickly clean up a spill or deep clean your entire house, this vacuum adapts to your needs with ease. It's like having multiple cleaning tools in one sleek package. For allergy sufferers and those concerned about air quality, the Dyson V8 Extra is a breath of fresh air. Its advanced whole machine filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic dust and allergens. This means you're not just cleaning your floors, you're also improving the air quality in your home, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Breathe easier and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home. Pet owners know the constant struggle against shedding and dander. The Dyson V8 Extra is specifically designed to tackle pet hair on carpets, rugs, and furniture, making it a true game changer. Its motorized cleaner head works wonders on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring a spotless home, even with furry friends. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pets. The Dyson V8 Extra is designed for convenience from start to finish. The hygienic point-and-shoot bin emptying system eliminates mess and fuss, making disposal quick and easy. Plus, the washable lifetime filter saves you money on replacements, ensuring long-term cost savings. Enjoy a high-performance vacuum without the hassle of constant maintenance. As a busy professional or homeowner, your time is valuable. The Dyson V8 Extra streamlines your cleaning routine, freeing up your schedule for more important things. Imagine spending less time cleaning and more time pursuing your hobbies, spending time with family, or simply relaxing. This vacuum is an investment in your lifestyle. The Dyson V8 Extra cordless vacuum cleaner has truly exceeded expectations. It's powerful, lightweight, versatile, and incredibly easy to use, making it an essential tool for any modern home. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, this vacuum will make cleaning quicker, more efficient, and even enjoyable. It's time to upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the Dyson difference. Ready to transform your cleaning experience? Click the link below to grab your Dyson V8 Extra today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enjoy a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable home. Act now and experience the ultimate cleaning convenience.